Hey everyone, welcome to this video. So you're probably here because you want to know what the buzz is about the gelatin trick, right? Lots of people do actually, and lots of people don't know where to turn to get infos, to understand what the whole buzz is about. But let me tell you, the gelatin trick is really interesting, the way it works, how you create it, how you're going to use it, and the results you get are even better. So the gelatin trick is basically something that you are putting into your daily habits, okay? You are incorporating this into your routine, preferably in the morning. So with the gelatin trick, you are actually going to start to see changes around your waistline. You're going to start to feel lighter. You're going to start to feel more joyful and, of course, a lot more energized. Now, the beauty of the gelatin trick is that you are preparing this with ingredients that you have probably in your fridge, okay? Natural ingredients that you are just gonna use it the right way and have great results. Guys, I have the official webpage, like how to do it, how to use it, step-by-step guide, and I left that for you guys in the description box of this video just down here. So make sure you do not miss that. If you want to understand what the gelatin trick is, how to use it, what you can expect, and more, right there. So do go there right now to get to know more about this, okay? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.